MZ. Welcome to another How to series by Menumiz. In this session, we'll guide you through how to create and manage menus and submenus, along with key features that streamline your digital menu setup. Follow these instructions to complete the process effortlessly.
Understanding the menu hierarchy. The Menumiz digital menu is structured in a hierarchy of main menus, submenus, and then items or dishes. In this system, a menu or submenu functions as a folder, not the actual dish. When you create a menu, you're simply creating a container to group and display dishes, much like organizing photos in an album. Deleting a menu or submenu will not delete the dishes themselves. The dishes remain intact and can be used elsewhere. A single dish can also appear in multiple menus or submenus. Accessing menu management. To manage menus, click the Manage Menus tab located at the top right of the digital menu section. Inside the menu organizer, you will see all existing menu categories, such as lunch, dinner, or hot drinks, along with their associated submenus. Menu action bar functions. Each menu category has an action bar with the following options: drag and drop handle, rearrange menus by dragging them, export menu, export the menu as a Word document. This is especially useful if you need a printable version. This function only works in a web browser, not in the Menumiz POS app. Hide and unhide menu button. Temporarily hide or show the menu to customers. Trash icon. Delete the menu folder. Pen icon. Edit the menu name, image, or description. Submenu button. Add or manage submenus under that menu. If your menu is under an auto display schedule, a calendar icon will also appear here. Click it to modify the display times. The number on the right indicates how many submenus are currently under each main menu. Adding a new menu. To create a new menu folder, click Add a Menu Folder. A pop-up window will appear. Fill in the following: menu name, example, dinner menu, lunch menu. Image. Choose from stock photos or upload your own. Description, up to 600 characters. Auto display schedule, optional. Enable this to show or hide the menu and all its submenus, automatically based on specific days and times. For example, display the lunch menu during lunch hours and hide it during dinner time. Managing submenus. Inside the submenu organizer, you'll find all existing submenus, such as main courses, drinks, or kids menu, along with the items assigned to each. To add a new submenu, click the Add a Submenu Folder button at the top right. Each submenu comes with similar options as a menu, except that submenus cannot be auto-scheduled individually. However, you can exclude a submenu from QR code or online ordering by checking the appropriate box. Select one submenu and up to 15 items within it to mark as your signature dishes. These items will appear at the top of the ordering screen for easy access. Warning: you can only designate one signature submenu. Assigning dishes to a submenu. To add dishes to a submenu, 1. Click Select and Assign Dishes. 2. choose from all available items to add them. To remove a dish, click the cross icon on its card in the submenu. You can only assign main items or dishes to a submenu. Free side dishes or add-ons are handled by the system and cannot be manually added or managed within submenus. Final reminder, menumiz automatically hides any empty menus or submenus from the customer-facing interface. Ensure you assign at least one dish to each folder if you want it to appear.
And that's it. Now you have successfully learned about changing menus or submenus and other menu management functions.
Menumiz, digitally yours.